People born between 1960 and 1989 are the best generation ever, hands down, no debate. They grew up without Google, without smartphones, without social media, yet still managed to thrive in a world that demanded grit and resilience. They knew how to actually talk to people face to face, how to solve problems without searching for every answer online. They relied on resourcefulness, creativity, and their own instincts. They worked hard, respected what they earned, and valued loyalty. Life taught them patience, perseverance, and how to balance freedom with responsibility. They had the freedom of playing outside until the streetlights came on, but also the discipline of respecting rules and understanding boundaries. They witnessed life before and after technology, so they can adapt in ways no other generation can. They know how to navigate both simplicity and complexity. They had real friendships, real love, and real patience. They valued deep connections over surface-level attention or instant gratification. They know how to hustle, how to sacrifice, and how to enjoy the simple things. That balance of old-school grit and modern adaptability is rare.